Hey guys, wanna know how to match with someone in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your OkCupid application. And once you've done that, in order to match with someone, once the OkCupid application loads, you should be prompted with various people. Now, in order to initiate a match, simply swipe the person you are seeing to the right side. As you can see in the image as well, the heart goes green and your match has been initiated. Now, for actual match to happen, the other user that you swipe should also swipe you as a positive as well, which ends up in a match. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.